if you want to change the password of your Instagram account, I'm here to help you today. First thing you need to do is to open your Instagram account, open the settings section, and the first option says Account Center. As you can read, password, security, personal details, and everything. So when you choose that, here you can choose the password and security option, tap on it, and the first one is change password, so I'm going to tap that. Make sure to use the right account, obviously Instagram, not Facebook. And after you tap it here, you can fill in your current password, or you can type a new password and change it. And if you don't remember your current password, which if you want, it will probably be shown by your password, on your iPhone. Or if not, you can just tap on this option. It says forgot your password, and it says we have sent a link to your email address to change the password. And by following the link and filling the new password and retyping it, you will be able to change your password on Instagram. Now that you have successfully changed your password, don't forget to subscribe our channel so we can make more videos like this for you.